tell me about yourself. So I am Niljan Cosino, a BSIT Automotive Technology, a student of Baiso campus. As a student myself, I am very confident that I learned a lot during my senior high school, as well as now in my program taking. I know how to do maintenance, wiring, assembling, and disassembling car parts, and also I have a good driving skill. I am very eager to learn and impart this knowledge to your company. Thank you. What are your strengths and weaknesses? In terms of my strength, I can say that I very good at handling people. I am also very good at communicating, as well as I am very eager to learn. For my weaknesses, I am a disorganized person, but in slowly I am overcome it because I believe that I can work smoothly if you think as well as my mind is organized. What is your age to the other applicants? I can say that I am equipped and knowledgeable enough to be a part of your company. My skill and mind has been very well honed by the instructors of my school. I can say that once we graduate, we are very ready to work. How can you help with our company? I can help through your company by contributing that I have learned in my study. Not just that, but also by becoming a good and reliable employee. I may still lack in experience, but I will be doing my best to do good and share my expertise to others. What will you be 5 years from now? I can say myself 5 years from now that I am still here working with a position already. I can see myself become the employee that I should be. Why should we hire you? You should hire me because of my talent, knowledge, and skill. You will have an employee that is dedicated to his work. I am very passionate about in this that why you will never regret having me in your company. And that's all. Thank you.